And thank you for joining us today. Welcome to part 8 of the BBC educational series, Fun with Fasteners. I'm Kevin Waftingodor, and today's episode, How to Hang Shit on the Wall, is taught by special guest, America's funniest handyman, Tommy Highland, and associates. This will be followed by Randy Schwenker and his ever-so-popular dance troupe, the Flying Camels of Avalon. We now join How to Hang Shit on the Wall, already in progress.
You might be asking yourself, what in the holy heck is sinker pine?
Sinker pine is lumber that's made from old timbers and logs that have been dredged up and rescued from river basins and the bottoms of Old Bay harbors. Sure wish they'd dredge up Carol Baskin's husband, but that ain't gonna happen unless they dredge up that septic tank.
The sinker pine that we're using today was milled into beadboard, which I have stained with some Australian timber oil to match the porch. Radical, right?
Australian timber oil, because if your dick is failing, you need a sealer, one that'll really soak in and penetrate your dick and bring it back to life.
Doing his wee sissy nails and what have you. Next thing you know, he'll be wearing a dress. What about me? Never mind the fact that I've got to be practicing for the caber toss this week. You know it's caber season. Listen, I've taught Tommy a lot of carpentry over the years, and if you pay attention and you're lucky, I'm going to teach you something today too. So, bring your tool kilt, let's hop up on the plank and get started. Achtung, jawohl, mein Publikum. Mein Herr Cousin Tommy will come now and give you the instructions, and I will be waiting right over here to add in my mustard to this schnitzel of a DIY. Let's face it, crooked schnitzels are everywhere. That is why I invented the Schweinsteiger Schnitzel Straightener. Not only does it straighten your crooked schnitzel, but it's compact and portable, so that you can straighten your crooked schnitzel anywhere you go. It's made with plastic, so you can take it on the plane or the boat or a zeppelin without fear of having it confiscated. The Schweinsteiger Schnitzel Straightener. It's portable, it's affordable, and it's very, very fast.
What in the holy heck is a gosh darn Cornice anyway? Sorry for my potty mouth, but I just had no idea what they were talking about. I thought a Cornice was some stuffy old British lady.
Oh, Henry!
Cornice? Is that you, my dear? What the dickens could be wrong?
Oh, Henry dear, I think I've broken the toilet in the lavatory.
Ah, yes. Must have been the beef Wellington. I had trouble today myself.
Oh, this is terrible, Henry. And suppose we'll have to move now?
Of course. No other option. I'll have Chapman bring the car around and retrieve the luggage.
All right, dear.
Wait a second. We don't have to move. All we have to do is watch America's Funniest Handyman on YouTube.
That's brilliant, Henry. Absolutely brilliant.
Indeed, my love. Indeed.
Your prayers have finally been answered. The good folks who brought you a can of whoop-ass have partnered up with the people at Campbell's Soup to bring you a revolutionary solution to the gabby gossips and long-winded blabbermouths of your life. It's Cup of Shush, the soup that makes people shut the heck up. Just tell your yapping friend that you're making some yummy soup and they'll want some, because everybody loves soup. Cup of Shush is made from a special blend of home-cooked herbs and spices with just the right amount of warm milk and cold barbiturates.
I'm Dickie McFytile, the loud and obnoxious infomercial guy. You might remember me because I invented the greatest tool caddy that ever lived, Kitty Hold This. You might also remember me because I once cut my house in half. Or you might remember me from my total nervous breakdown on the Today Show. It doesn't matter, because everybody knows me as the king of slashing prices.
So America's Funniest Handyman does what any typical American redneck will do. He calls somebody he believes to be an illegal immigrant to do the dirty work, and that's why I am here. I am from the Siberian area of Russia. I will climb the roof, and I will be the hero of the day, and he will pay me peanuts, and if I get hurt, he will not tell anybody, and he will just ship me home. So please, wish me luck as I walk into danger.
Therefore, I would like to declare a few things as we begin to move forward. A bit of a mission statement, you might say.
Are you sick of putting everything off? Maybe you're just plain lazy and shiftless. Well, it's time to reach for the secret sauce that has enabled the Amish to raise barns for centuries and fashion more quilts than they could possibly sell to the infidels and nullifidians. Go grab yourself a can of Obi's Amish elbow grease, the #1 product on the market today to help you finally get some things done for a change. Hello there, I'm Obidiah Barnfinger.
And remember, Whacky Whilly guarantees you, the largest selection of power tools in the entire tri-state area, staffed with service amateurs that will match or beat any price you can come up with. The largest selection at the lowest prices, guaranteed. Whacky Whilly's prices are deranged.
This here little fella is called a baluster, and you could say that the balustrade is the whole kit and caboodle. And anybody knows that a caboodle is what happens when you cross a poodle with a kangaroo. It's a beautiful animal. Last year I entered my caboodle in the state fair, and he won the blue ribbon in both the high jump and best haircut.
My old cooktop, Candace, that's her name. I name a lot of my pots and cooking utensils. Candace here has decided to go kaput, which I'm told means it's stopped. It is actually, it still has gas, but so do I. Anyhow, get my hair and nails done, and Tommy assures me that by the time I'm done getting my hair and nails done, we'll be back and we'll be able to cook a nice beef bourguignon.
Hello, and welcome back to America's Funniest Handyman. I'm Kevin Waftingodor, filling in for Tommy Highland. You're probably wondering, why is he in the bathroom with a wonderful plate of yummy cupcakes?
You guys, I'm Gary. You remember me? Well, Tom remembers me, man. We go way back, man. I used to paint houses in Petaluma. We used to paint houses in Sonoma County, Marin County, California. It was really cool, man. So listen, Tommy called me up, man, and he asked me if I would teach you how to cut a straight line on the wall so that you don't have to use blue tape everywhere you go, man. So, anyhow, let's start with your brush, okay? Oh, no, I know what I wanted to start with, man. I wanted to start by telling you why, yeah, that's right, why you should learn how to cut straight lines with a brush instead of using blue tape everywhere, man. One, no brainer, it'll save you money on tape, man. Tape's expensive and bad for the environment. Anyway, okay, cool.
How to patch a hole in the wall. Now you can make all of your holes disappear with relative ease and comfort, and you'll never have to call your drunk, creepy uncle again to come over and fix it.
Yeah, good to hear from you. I can help you fix that. Yeah, it'll cost you half a dozen oxys and a case of beer. Well, you don't want your mom finding out about your little party, do you? Say, listen, is your pretty little friend Candace gonna be over there?
Let's go in and put the baseboard in and we'll show everybody how nice it looks when you do it for realsies.
Okay, Gladys, let's go. This is very much fun, playing with the wood and the moldings, yeah?
Just slide it on in, Frank. Oh, it's perfect. It was so big I didn't know if it was going to fit on the first time.
How could I doubt you, Gladys? It fits perfect every time.
Thanks, Frank.
What do you say, Gladys? Are you hungry? I'll treat you to a milkshake.
You bet, honey.
It's time to put away those childish behaviors and reach for the product that's totally revolutionizing the entire construction industry. That's right, Johnson's Big Boy Patience in a Can. Dr. Safety here, and I didn't get to be the #1 name in job site safety for nothing. And I'm here to tell you that a lack of patience on the job site can be dangerous, leading to poor productivity, damaged building materials, and worst of all, hurt feelings.
When I was a small child, I started out making my first shelf when I was approximately 18 months old. I fashioned the shelf out of an old diaper and some rubber cement.
I know he looks smart, but that's all smoke and mirrors, folks. He's actually quite a dingbat. You want to take a very accurate measurement of what we call the rough opening. Rough opening sounds like a term you'd use to describe prison sex, doesn't it? Or maybe to describe the way that one feels the day after eating too many hot wings.
See, you gotta share your shop space with the whole damn family and all their stuff too. This can create quite a situation as you're trying to be handy and fix the house, but everything is buried under a mountain of lacrosse sticks, skateboards, and Barbie dolls.
And I do a lot of hunting and fishing and camping. Go figure, right? And every single time that I tell somebody from Philadelphia that I'm going camping, I get the same exact response, whether it's a man or a woman, young or old. Hey, I'm going camping this weekend. What, with like a tent and shit? You know, they say it might rain, right? Yeah, that's why I'm bringing the tent and shit. Dominic. Of Philadelphia is named Frank or Dominic. Right?
No, nobody wants to raise and lower a 40-foot ladder by themselves, but sometimes life just hands you a box of lemons, a gallon of bananas, if you will, and then you've got to deal with it. So I'm going to teach you how to do it safely without hurting yourself.
Amidst the madness and confusion rose a beacon of beauty and benevolence. There, but for the dark of winter, echoed 4 magnificent words. Truly, tainted, tanning toner, the only way to achieve a lasting hold on the golden, glowing, brown, bronze, sensuous tan that has brought so many shallow individuals, and so many others exactly like them. So much superficial happiness.
Of course, everybody knows that German engineering is responsible for some of the world's finest and most precise pieces of machinery, like the Mercedes and the Volkswagen, and the Pudel und the Lederhosen. This is eine Oberhauskompetenz in so Einzimmermann.
Sensitive scalp condition. And my mother insists that I wear a large hat to protect my sensitive scalp. Right, homie?
I know, I got you so good, dude. I got you so good. You should have seen your face, man. Did you see his face? You should have seen his face. You should have seen your face, Tommy.
Brand new shelves that he built.
Dude, home improvements don't have to suck. We believe that some of the best learning takes place when you're having fun and totally chill.
Please watch our videos and become a subscriber. By the time you're done watching us, you'll know how to fix everything around the house, and we'll keep you laughing while you do it. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. As always, thanks for letting us bring a whole lot of experience and a little bit of humor onto your job site. Good night, mate.
Fixing stuff in a serious way, the not so serious guy.